This, according to the signpost over here, may not be the newest station in town. We're actually at the old Kalgan Zhangjiakou Railway Station, a city known formerly as Kalgan, now as Zhangjiakou.
This is the 1905 station, complete with the original station building that used to host actual railway trains. Now, though, trains have since relocated away from this station to the all-new Zhangjiakou Railway Station in the south of the city. Formerly known as Zhangjiakou South, that station too was closed as it was being prepared to be rebuilt. Locals instead had to use a different station, Shalingzi West, which served as the replacement Zhangjiakou station for a few years whilst the first station closed and the more recent older station got improvement works underway. The 1905 Kalgan station, 100 years later, had a new station building added to it looking like a featureless box, which was made a bit more modern a few years later. The new high-speed hub, however, looks like any modern Chinese HSR hub, expansive, futuristic, and with plenty of trains, both classic and high-speed. It was probably luck, coincidence, an affinity for the rails, or all of the above, which made it possible for me to visit all these stations as they opened, closed, reopened, shut down, and in turn opened up again, refreshed and ready for the games.